All right, Shakira, I know that joining Miss CSPR truly was a decision that you had to think through deeply, right? So, in deciding to join this pageant, who or what has been your greatest source of motivation?
To everyone here, I'm sure everyone knows this is my second time in joining Miss CSPR, and the main reason that I joined was I felt like I was not satisfied yet joining the first time. So I want to show everyone here that I am able and capable to win the crown.
Wow. So, Shakira, you may now pick your hashtag. And your hashtag is hashtag social media. Again, hashtag social media.
Social media has its pros and its cons. Pros in a way that we can communicate with our families, our friends, our relatives, and we could also use it for education. And the main con of social media is mainly the misuse of it. So everyone here, we should all remember that we should not let social media control us, but instead, we should be the one to control social media. Thank you.
That works for us. Thank you so much.